everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in yet again. If this is your first time visiting my page, please make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button that's going to stay down here in the corner the entire video. So go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so now that you are subscribed, I'm going to tell you what we're doing today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this quick and easy genie butterfly braid. It was super simple. You don't need a lot. I literally used 2.5 packs of hair, like 99-cent braiding hair, and you know, some little hair jewelry, and that's it. It's going to be a very simple tutorial. So all you have to be able to know how to do is braid. If you can braid, you can do this look. Alright, so let's jump right on in. Alright everybody, so let's get right into how I perform this braid. I have already set my hair, as you can see, into a ponytail. Instead of using gel, because if I used gel on my hair, it would give it more of a wave and my natural texture would come out, I used hairspray. This is Kenra Maximum Hold hairspray, just to make it hard without my waves coming in, because I like how it's a little straight right now and I want to keep it with that kind of straight and sleek look. I'm using 2 packs of braiding hair, which I'm actually going to use probably like this full pack and just a few pieces of this one, because this color is a little bit darker, and just so that it will look a little more natural and blend with my highlights and lowlights. Alright you guys, so I ended up adding some more hair because I didn't think it would be full enough, so I have tons of hair here. This is 2 full packs of 27, and then basically like a half pack of 30, so that's 2.5 packs of hair. That way I can make sure all of my hair gets covered up when I do it. So I'm already nice and set. My hair is nice and firm and dry. I'm going to split my hair into 3 little sections. Those represent the 3 strands of the braid. I know they look crazy. Then I'm going to split this massive amount of hair and wrap it just like if you were adding, you know, the regular way you do when you're adding braiding hair, so that it turns into 3 sections as well. So here is section number 1. Hold on. See, this is the part where you got to make sure everything is nice and separated so that it's easy for you to braid. Alright, so section number 1, number 2, and number 3. And as you can see, that 30 in there really helps kind of break it up and make it kind of blend a little better with my hair. Alright, let's get this ball a rolling. The biggest thing is trying to make sure, making sure that my hair gets covered and none of it is sticking out, because this is supposed to be a protective style. So in order to protect it, it needs to be inside of the braiding hair. Alright, and so as I'm braiding, I'm not doing it super tight. I'm actually doing I'm braiding extremely loosely, actually. Stop it right here for now, okay? So as you can see, this braid is really big. really big, it's really fat, it's really huge, and I like that about it. So now what I'm going to do is kind of separate it just a little. On the very top up here, it is secure. I could do, you know, anything, but I'm also going to take just this very top part and just kind of pin it all at the base, just because I have a few flyaways. So I'm just gonna take some hairpins and pin it and secure it at the base. Alright, so we have it all the way braided, all the way down. I'm going to take this little hair ornament, and I'm just going to wrap it around. Or if I could slide it through, that would be like ideal, but we'll just separate it. I'm just going to wrap it around the length of the last little piece of it. And then, of course, the fun part, putting a few little clips and accessories in here. So finally, I'm just gonna take a little bit of finishing spray, spray it all over. I didn't even dip the tail, which if you want to, you can, but because I put the little ornament on the bottom, it's pretty good. I don't really have to dip it. You guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, this is the final look, and if you have any other looks that you want to see, make sure you leave a comment down below, or just leave a comment and let me know what you thought about this tutorial. I will see y'all next time. Thank you again for watching. Peace.